Hi folks, welcome to 25th video of the series, that is finding factorial using lambda function. Here I assigned lambda function, that is lambda n to f. 1 if n is equal to 0. The factorial of number 0 is 1. That's why I written 1 if n is equal to 0. Else n star f of n minus 1. This you should understand to learn this program finding factorial. I given f of 5 here. So this loop, how it works means, it will call the function like if we give f of 5 means 5, that is n is equal to 5 star asterisk of f of 4, that is n minus 1 is equal to, we given 5 here, that's why n value 5 here, n minus 1 is 4, f of 4 means 4 asterisk f of 3. Like that loop will goes on and we will get the output. Already we have got the output, that is 120 here. Then here I'm using lambda function here, so we can easily get output in only 2 lines. So here I'm not using lambda function. We should write conditions and loops also. Here I given number that I want to find out the factorial of a number. Then I given factorial is equal to 1. Then I assigned factorial value is equal to 1. If number is less than 0, it will print factorial is not exist for negative number. If number is equal to 0, then factorial of 0 is always 1. Else for I in range of 1 to num plus 1, num plus 1 for num plus 1, why we have given num plus 1 means because we are giving the in range function, it is exclusive, that's why it will if we give suppose I want to find out 1 to 5 of 5 number, factorial for 5, what it will do means it will find out only for 4 number. That's why I given num plus 1 here. Factorial is equal to factorial star I is 1 to num plus 1, so factorial value is 1 star num plus 1. Print factorial of number which I want to find out the factorial. Then factorial number will store here. So here we got the output for 6. We got the output, that is 720. 6 factorial is equal to 720.